Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today, I'm going to share with you one of my all-time favorite snacks that's super simple to make but incredibly delicious. Sweet rice flakes. This recipe is perfect for those days when you are craving something sweet but also want it to be light and wholesome. With just few ingredients, you can whip up a snack that's not only tasty but also brings a touch of tradition to your table. So let's get started. First, let's start by melting our jaggery. I've used 3/4 cup of jaggery and half cup of water. Now let this boil nicely so that our jaggery is fully dissolved. Now once it is fully dissolved, we are going to strain this mixture directly into a kadai to remove any impurities. We will bring this jaggery water to a boil. Once it starts bubbling, we will add in 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Mix it well and let the coconut absorb all the jaggery so that our rice flakes gets a sweet, rich, deep flavor. Now once the mixture is well combined, we'll switch off the flame and let it rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we will dry roast sesame seeds and keep it aside till our jaggery coconut mixture cools a bit. Our coconut jaggery mixture is cooled down a bit. It still has to be warm when we add the rice flakes. We will add the rice flakes little by little and mix thoroughly so that the rice flakes are evenly coated with the coconut jaggery mixture. Mix thoroughly, and once everything is well combined, we will add our roasted sesame seeds and cardamom powder. Give everything one final good mix, and if you like, you can add some roasted cashews and raisins for a rich flavor. And that's it, our sweet rice flakes is ready. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.